In previous class, we have discussed about the lesson 2, that is stepwise thinking. Up to we have seen step 2, organize a picnic in the water park. So we'll continue our next one. So here you can see mouse. What he is asking mouse, write the steps as Tejas and Jyoti list them. So Teja is asking, our teacher told us about the play in which there are 15 different types of animals. So here you can see a stepwise list how they will do for making different types of animals. So if you want to do some show, so here they have given 15 different types of animals. So uh, there are 15 candidates and they have to do different types of animals like cat, dog, parrot, monkey, like that. So they have to do like that. So here we have to see step 1. Here what is the step 1? Narration of the play. So you have to narrate, so what type of animal it is, so you have to do all that. The children who wanted to act in the play enroll themselves for it to the teacher. So if you want to do to act like an animal, so like monkey, so if you are interested you can give your names to the teacher. So first you have to do that. So if you are interested you can give your names to the teacher. So she will write all the names, all 15 names. So she will collect all the names. Next, second step, what it is, collect the names of children who want to act in the play. So she will collect all the 15 names, like 15 animal names also. The teacher assigned a role to each of us. So if I assign you like monkey, next cat, next dog, next elephant, like that, it will be like 15 members. So she will assign each member as each role, isn't it? Yes. Next, third step, assign roles to the children. So she will assign the role. You have to do like this, you have to do like this. So if monkey is there, so you have to do like monkey, what they will do, so you have to do like that. So we went to the practice the play. The teacher made us act out one scene after the other. She also helped us do our actions correctly. We practiced every day for an hour. So here you can see in the picture, so they are playing the act, so they are practicing the play. So teacher came and she is checking whether it is right or wrong. So she is checking. After checking, so she is giving instructions, so more instructions. So you have to do like that, you have to do like that. So she is telling like that. Next, in step 4, practice the play with the help of the teacher. So they are taking the help of teacher. So the teacher give a list of names of children and their roles to the costume supplier. So for doing this activity, so they have to take dresses, each type of different dresses they have to take. So here costume is nothing but tailor. So the costume supplier took our measurements. So they took the measurements of each candidate. Next, prepare a list with the names of children and their roles to be given to the costume supplier. So the teacher has given the 15 names, 15 roles of the names. So given to the supplier, costume supplier. So డ్రెస్ కుట్టడానికి టైలర్కి ఇచ్చారనమాట టీచర్. సో కాస్ట్యూమ్ సప్లయర్ టేక్ మెజర్మెంట్స్ ఫర్ ది కాస్ట్యూమ్స్. సో ఒక్కొక్కరు మెజర్మెంట్స్ తీసుకున్నాడు అనమాట ఆ టైలర్. 15 డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ యానిమల్స్ కదా, సో ఆ 15 డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ యానిమల్స్ లెంత్ తీసుకున్నాడు. 2 days back before the play we got our costumes. Then we were asked to wear them and check if they were all right. సో ఆ టైలర్ ఏం చేసిండు, 2 days ముందే ఇచ్చేసిండు అనమాట. ఇప్పుడు సపోజ్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ది ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఈజ్ ఆన్ 18th or 19th, so he given before 2 days only. So whether the dress is perfect or not, if it is loose, so again he will tighten the dress. So like that he given all the 15 dresses to the teacher. Step 7. What step 7? Wear and check the costumes received. Prayer is nothing but coming before in time to the performance. So the teacher has given the dresses to the children and they wore and checked the costumes received. So they have checked all the costumes. Today we had our dresses rehearsals. Rehearsal is nothing but trial performance of a play. So they have tried on that day and they have did the performance on that day only. So when the program is they have conducted before 2 days, they have practiced it before the 2 days. So in step 8 do a dress rehearsal. So here you can see here, so they have did rehearsals. So what Moses is saying, that was a good example, but you missed the last step. So they have seen the practiced performance, so they are telling, so it was very nice. So you did the miss the last step. Oh, the last step is our final performance in front of an audience. So they are telling that what they are telling here, Jyoti is telling that, oh, the last step is our final performance. The last step అనేది మాకు final performance. So they will show in front of the audience. Audience is nothing but who sit on the chairs. Next, perform the play. Suppose you have to describe the activity in 3 steps. What would they be? So మోజ్ అడుగుతున్నాడు, ఏమని అడుగుతున్నాడు, సపోజ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు డిస్క్రైబ్ ది యాక్టివిటీ ఇన్ 3 steps. ఆ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ మొత్తం 3 stepsలో డిస్క్రైబ్ చేయండి అంటున్నాడు. ఎట్లా చేస్తారు? తేజ అండ్ జ్యోతి డిస్కస్డ్ అండ్ రైట్ ది 3 steps ఫర్ ది యాక్టివిటీ. సో తేజ అండ్ జ్యోతి ఏం చేశారు, వాళ్ళిద్దరు డిస్కస్ చేసి 3 stepsలో చెప్పేశారు అనమాట. ఏం చెప్పిండు, ప్రిపేర్ ఫర్ ది ప్లే, ప్రాక్టీస్ ది ప్లే, పర్ఫార్మ్ ది ప్లే. సో దే హ్యావ్ సెడ్ దట్ 3 steps. What steps they have said? Prepare for the play. First they will prepare, after they will practice, after that they perform, isn't it? So they have told and they have said to the mouse what they have told. Prepare. First they will prepare all the to the play. Next they will practice. In step 2 they will practice. In step 3 they will perform, isn't it? So this is the step by step process. Very good. Now list the previous 9 steps under each of these 3 steps. So first in first step what you will do, in second step what they will do, in third step what I will do, we'll see. First step, prepare for the play. In prepare for the play there are 5 steps. Next, in practice the play there are 3 steps. Perform the play, it is the 9th step, 1 step. So first step, narration of the play. So they will narrate, then collect the names of the children and then assign the roles. So they will assign each and every roles to the each of the person, like elephant, giraffe, like that, cat, dog, parrot, like that. So they will assign. Prepare a list with the names of the children and their roles to be given into the costume supplier. So we have seen step by step, isn't it? So that only these steps. Next, they will prepare the list and they will give to the tailor. So he will write all the names, different types of animal names, and he will do. Costume supplier take measurements for the costumes. So he will take all the measurements of different types of animals in that. Next, practice the play. Practice the play with the help of the teacher. So in step 6, they have teacher has helped to the children. Next, wear and check the costume a few days prior to the performance. So tailor has given before 2 days all the costumes, and they have wear the dresses and they have performed in front of the teacher. Next, do a dress rehearsals. So they wore the dresses and they have rehearsals on that day. So perform the play in front of an audience. On the last day, they will perform the play. Good. Now, can you give more details for this step perform for the play? Yes. First, reach the hall well before time. So they will reach the hall before the time. Then wear the costumes and put a makeup. So, for example, if we do annual day, what you will do? First of all, you will go to the hall, function hall, or like auditorium, like that. If you will go first, they will give dress to you, they will make up, isn't it? Finally, perform the play as practiced. So they will play as practiced only. Next, good. What you have done is listed the various steps of the activities, identify the main steps, listed the detailed steps under each main step. Yes, Moses telling. So your list is very good. So what they did, listed the various steps in the activity. Then what they did, they have identified each. So they what identified? So this animal is for you. This animal is for you. So they have identified like that. Next, listed the detailed steps under each main step. Now let us take up another task and list the main step. The task is to get the pen is on the table and give it to me. Get the 3 main steps for this task. So they have took another example. What is that? See, you can see here. Steps to pick up the pen. So on the table there is a pen. So here they have to took the pen and give to the mouse. So here first step is what? Move towards the table. So Jyoti is moving towards the table, and um, in back side mouse is standing. So pick up the pen, give the pen to mouse. So here are the 3 steps, isn't it? First she took the pen and she gave to the mouse. Yes. First she moved towards the table and she took the pen and she gave to the mouse. So here are the 3 steps. Now I will make it a little more difficult. Give more detailed steps for each of these. So Moses telling, I will give more difficult to you. So you have to do again. So what they did, I will get the detailed steps from the first step. Step 1.1, turn. First she have to turn where pen is present. Next, move towards the table. So she is moving towards the table. Next, here are the detail of step 2. So in step 2, what she told, bring your hand near to the pen. So she is taking the pen with the help of hand. Next, pick up the pen. She took the pen. Good. Now outline the detailed step 3 for step 3. So Moses telling very good. So now you show the step 3. So turn left. Move towards mouse. Next, give to the pen to him. So here what detailed steps is given? First, she turned right, move towards the table and bring your hand. So with the help of her hand, she took the pen and pick up the pen. Next, turn left, move towards mouse. So she have to give to mouse. So she gave to the mouse. So mouse is appreciating her. Good. So here an activity has a sequence of steps. So when you are doing the activity, some activity, so you should do some steps. First list the main step of the activity, then for each main step list the detailed steps. Listing the step help in carrying the. So if you will do step by step procedure, it will get easily work out. If not, it will not work out. In some activities, the sequence or order of the steps cannot be changed. In some activity, we don't have any sequence of orders. So here you can see some activity here. In some activity, the sequence of some of the steps can be interchanged. So this is the first step. So here you can see this is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth. No. So these are the 4 steps. In first step, it is given. So this is the difference. You can see, you can observe here. This is the difference here. In first step, here is same. In second step, it has given wings. Here, wheel is given. In third step, it is given same, I think. Yes, it is same. In fourth step also it is same. In second step only it is very different. Next, so this is the, in some examples it is may not be different. So this is the next. Joy read the sheets which has the stepwise instructions to start the robot. So here one example about the robot. The remote control has buttons to start, stop and also move the robot in direction. So if robot is present, so robot will do all the steps, all the work. Here you can see each button has an action associated with it. When I pressed work, so robot will work. If we will stop, robot will stop. So if we will tell to do work, so robot will do. The robot understands only a limited number of actions. So robot will only perform some actions only. That means the robot cannot do anything on its own. We have to give detailed instructions. So if we will give the instructions to the robot do some actions only. Using unlimited number of instructions, you can make the robot perform some task. Can a computer do an activity its own? No. So if we will do some performance to the computer, so if we will type on the keyboard, so in the word, if we want to print out, it will give printout. If we will not give, computer will not give the output. If we want to build a game of our own game on the computer, then we have to give detailed instructions. So if you want to own our game by doing our own, by giving some instructions only, it will give the game, complete the game. Okay children, so a computer can only work by using step-by-step instructions only. You are right, giving these step-by-step instructions is called programming. It is known as programming. You will learn more about it as we go along. Isn't it children? Yes. Thank you children. We'll see in the